This is a 15 years old Toyota Avalon, and you can see the headlights are very foggy. And we all know dirty foggy headlights not only dims the light but also looks bad. So today I'm going to tell you how you can easily clean these headlights without using any tools in just few minutes. All you need a 3M rubbing compound, as you can see on your screen, and a Meguiar's headlight coating spray and a clean microfiber towel. These products are easily available in market and online. Let's start with the masking tape. And here we have the 3M rubbing compound. You can see how much I'm taking this compound. This will be roughly equivalent to a tablespoon. So let's apply that compound on your headlight. After applying it all over the headlight, I'm now rubbing it. Keep rubbing it like this for 2 to 3 minutes. And when it's done, so you can stop. And if you are not satisfied, so you can repeat this process as many times as you want. It will not harm your light. And as you can see, differences begin to appear. Now wipe it with the clean side of the towel. So you can see the big difference here. Now we will give it the final touch. So this spray increases and maintains the clarity of the headlight and also provides the UV protection. Read the instruction before use. According to the instruction, the coating will be dry to touch in 3 to 5 minutes and fully cured within 24 hours. Do not spray too much or all your hard work will go to waste and you'll have to redo the entire process. So we already have the magical result in front of us, but I'm still gonna wait for a few hours to see the final result and we will see the after and before shots. Here's the magic. If you like this video, so please like and subscribe.